How do I remove an electric clutch on a John Deere GT235 lawnmower?
Hello and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is I will do my very best to get you the answer you need to your question. First, remove your deck belt from the pulley on your PTO clutch. Next, disconnect the wiring connector from your PTO clutch, then remove the bolt in the center of your PTO clutch. If you have an impact wrench, this will be the best way to remove your bolt. After you remove your bolt, your PTO clutch should just slide off of your crankshaft. We can continue from here. Thanks.
Did that, but it doesn't slide off.
Do you have any penetrating oil? Spray some penetrating oil along the top of your PTO clutch. Give it time to soak and penetrate in between your PTO clutch and your crankshaft. You may have to repeat this process a few times. You can use a rubber mallet to tap on your PTO clutch, as you use a pry bar to pry down. If you use a regular hammer, please be careful to prevent damage to your PTO clutch.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.